I've lived in this city all my life. I'm Max, and I'm the luckiest dog in New York because of her. That's Katie. Katie and I, well, we have the perfect relationship. We met a few years ago, and boy, let me tell you, we got along right away. You know, it was one of those relationships where you just know. And get this, she was looking for a roommate, and so was I. So I just moved in that same day. It was perfect. We'd been together ever since. Katie would do anything for me, and I'm her loyal protector. Our love is, how do I put this? Our love is stronger than words or shoes. It's me and Katie. Katie and me. Us against the world. I wouldn't go so far as to call us soulmates, even though any sane person who saw us would.
Whoa, you see that?
Yeah, give me a second.
Oh, hey there, cute little bunny. What you doing in the middle of the road? Hey, what's going on? What the? Save yourself!
Shut it, human! Let's do this now! Now! Yeah!
Wait up! Get off me, pig! Oh, get off!
Where you at? Let's go, Ripper! I'm busting you out of here! The revolution has begun! Liberated forever! Domesticated never! Yeah!
Who's driving this thing?
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Who are you guys?
Huh? Who are we? Who are we? We are the flushed pets, thrown away by our owners, and now we're out for revenge. It's like a club, but with biting and scratching.
To take us with you.
I don't think so, pets. Yeah, you got the stench of domestication all over you. You chose your side, and now you're gonna burn.
No, stop. Who you calling pets? I ain't no pet. You got it all wrong. Words just like you guys. We hate humans.
Yeah.
Hate them.
That's right.
Oh, man, don't get me started on people. Am I right, Duke?
Yeah, that's why we burned our collars, man.
We burned them to the ground.
It killed our owners.
Yeah, wait a minute. That's too far, maybe? No, they dig it. Yes, we whacked them.
Yeah, that's right.
Bang, bang with our own paws.
If I had a dime for every owner I killed,
Oh, yeah.
I'd have a dime. Because I just killed the one.
Ooh, whoa! Oh, y'all cold-blooded. Oh, man, you remind me of my boy, Ricky. He died, though. R.I.P., Ricky. You know, the truth is, the struggle could use some more muscle. All right, look, I'll tell you what. We'll bust the both of you out of here, but understand this, from now on, you work for me.
That's fine. Sounds like a fun challenge.
All right, guys, let's do this. To the sewers!
The sewers?
What are y'all waiting for? I'm not playing. I said, to the sewers! Long live the revolution, suckers!
There's just one little problem. Pretty much every day,
Come on, Max.
she leaves.
I'll see you tonight.
Sometimes I try stuff to get her to stay.
Okay. Sit. Spin. Speak. Okay, that's a good boy.
But it never works. Where is she going? What could she possibly be doing? Oh, I miss her so much. Well, oh my, oh, she's back!
Forgot my phone.
What took so long? Why did you... Oh, come on. Oh, I miss her so much.
Bye, Gidget. Be a good doggy.
Hey, Max.
Hey, Gidget.
Any plans today?
Yes, big stuff today, Gidget. I got big plans. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna wait for Katie to come back.
Oh, that sounds exciting. Well, I won't interrupt. I've got a very busy day, too.
Here you go. See you later, Chloe.
Bye, Peppy.
So long, Mel.
Bye, sweet pea.
See you, Gino.
So long, pal.
I'll miss you, Shelly.
Later, Runty.
Bye, everyone.
You be a good boy, Leonard.
Hey,
Katie!
I'm home, Max. Hey, Maximilian. How was your day, buddy? That's a good boy. Oh, yes. I'm so psyched to see you too, buddy. Okay, boy. Calm down. It's okay. Let's all be calm. Now, I have some big news. Ugh, I know this will take some getting used to, but I think it's gonna be a great thing in the long run. Oh! Max, this is Duke. He's going to be your brother. No, Max. Okay, it's gonna be all right, Duke. It's okay. Aw, see, he likes you. Aw. Yeah, that's it, Duke. Take a look around. I know, buddy. This is a lot to take in, but he didn't have a home. So you and I are gonna have to take care of him. Ugh. Okay? Oh my gosh! Duke found our lost ball! What a great team we're gonna be! Love you, Maxie. Love you, Duke. Sleep tight, boys. Mwah.
Hey, little guy. This place is so great.
Uh-huh.
By the way, that is one gorgeous bed.
Yeah, it's okay.
Maybe we could share. You know, one night you get the bed, the next night I do. That kind of thing.
You know, this bed is mine. You get an old blanket. That suits you. You're an old blanket kind of a dog.
Oh, wow. You are stubborn. Hey, I get it. I'm stubborn too. But we gotta learn to get along.
Wait, what are you...
How about we can both fit in this bed if we really try?
no.
Let's get on in there.
No, wait.
Ah, perfect. This is comfy, right?
No, it is not.
I'm comfy.
Dukas is ruining our lives. He's ruining... It's an emergency that you get rid of this dog. He stole my... And he's scary, and he's frightening, and he's the death of all good things.
Aw, you little cutie pie. We'll play tomorrow, buddy, okay? Okay, sleep well.
Are you trying to get rid of me?
Before I answer that, I'd like to know how much you heard.
So that's how it's gonna be, huh? Oh, man, are you making me angry? And when I get angry, I do this. And I don't want to do that. I need this place. And if it's gonna come down to you or me, it's gonna be me. Ah!
Scent is getting stronger. Oh, man. Duke, let's eat!
Oh, yes.
Oh, it smells so good!
Oh, yes!
Sausages!
Come on, boys.
Holy schnitzel!
We go together like grandma and Lana, ding-a-ding-ding-ding. Shoo-ah-shoo-ah-wah-wah, yippity-boo-boo. Ting-ting, ting-ting-ting-ting. That's the way it should be. Woo, yeah! We're for each other like wop-bop-a-loo-bop-a-wop and boom. Just like my brother is Ching-ching, ting-ting-ting-ting. We'll always be together. Woo, yeah! We'll always
Lower the ramp, dummy.
Who are they?
This is Puffball, Squash Face, Wiener Dog, Yellowbird, Eagle Eye, Guinea Pig Joe, and of course my girlfriend Rhonda.
100% wrong.
Good enough.
Come on, let's go. Move it or lose it.
Every bird instinct I have says don't follow a dog on wheels.
Mr. Pops, sir, shouldn't we be heading to the sewers?
Now, if we take the human route, getting there is gonna take days. You may have lots of time, but for me, every breath is a cliffhanger. So, we gotta take the secret route.
Okay, the secret route was death. Well, that's that, I guess.
Come on! Get down here!
Ah! Sweet Bee.
Keep moving!
Oh, no. Stop it! Look away!
Come on, I don't have all day. Yeah! Come on, slowpokes.
What is that smell?
It's poo-poo with a dash of caca.